how to log in into your Cheese Bank. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Cheese Bank. In order to log in, first thing first, make sure that you already have an online banking account. Only then you can begin with the procedure. Now then, to begin with, first of all, install the application. For that, open up a Play Store. On the search box, type in Cheese Bank. Once you locate Cheese Bank, go ahead and tap the install button and wait for the application to be installed. So after the application is completely installed, click the open button, and then it's going to direct you to the official site, which is going to show something like that: sign up or login. So in order to create an account, you'll have to tap the sign up button, and similarly, in order to log in, click the login button. However, you can do this procedure with the help of a browser as well. So for that, open up a browser. On this bar, type in cheese.com. That's going to take you to their official page, which is going to look something like this. Anyway, the interface will remain the same, so you can follow this procedure as well. Now once you're on the cheese.com, this is going to look something like this. Now click the sign in button located in the top right hand side corner. So in order to log in, you'll be asked to provide in your username and then the password associated with your account. Done entering the information, click the sign in button, and that's going to log you into your account. However, for some reason, if you're unable to log in, you can go ahead and tap on forgot username or password option, and then you can reset your information, and that's going to retrieve your account. So that is how you can log in into your Cheese account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.